Can you guess what I'm making today? Nope, I'm keeping it a mystery until the end. Shh! Let's have a look at ingredients. Shredded kunafa dough, melted butter or ghee, Nutella chocolate hazelnut cream, chopped chocolate chunks, pistachios, sugar, water, lemon drops, vanilla or rose flavor. Let's start. Loosen up. Loosen up. Massage the kunafa dough with pause. Now, pour melted butter. Mix till every strand shines like gold. Grease the pan like you're shining a crown. Press half the kunafa dough down. Tap, tap smooth like a runway. Grind pistachios softly, softly. Make a green paste. Now spread the paste all over the dough. Then, bam! Chocolate spread flood water bottle. Sprinkle chocolate chunks like confetti. Ah, chocolate is never too much. Cover everything with the remaining kunafa dough. Secret chocolate fortress secured. Preheat the oven to 180 degrees. Put the dough and say it goodbye for 5 to 8 minutes. Watch it turn crunchy, golden, irresistible. Now for syrup. Boil sugar plus water. Bubbling spell cauldron. Add lemon drops. Zing! Pour immediately over hot kunafa. Shiny bliss. Now pistachios should be sprinkled like fairy, and pour some melted chocolate as well. Surprise! You just made chocolate kunafa, Dubai style. Now eat before I finish it myself.